Hi, I'm In today's video, I'm going to explain about some basics of trigonometry, its uses and some values. So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with ratio of the sides of a triangle with respect to an angle. So there are 6 different reciprocals or ratios of a triangle we can take if you consider 3 sides. So those ratios are represented by 6 different trigonometric functions. So those are called sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So let's see what are the ratios represented by these trigonometric functions. Let's consider a triangle, right angle triangle. This is the right angle, 90 degree, and this is the angle we'll consider for these trigonometric functions and the ratios. Let this angle be called theta. Theta can take any value. For basic fundamental understanding of trigonometry, we'll consider the value of theta between 0 and 90 degree. So in this triangle, this is base B, this is hypotenuse H, and this is the perpendicular P. Now we'll find that what are the ratios and what are the functions correspond to that ratio. The sine of theta represents the ratio between the perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this is P divided by H. Similarly, the cos represents the ratio between the base and hypotenuse. So this is B divided by H. Similarly, tan theta represents the ratio between perpendicular and base. So this will be P. So this is B divided by P. And the sec theta will represent the reciprocal of cos theta. That means H divided by B. And the cosec theta represents the reciprocal of sin theta. That means H divided by P. So these are the functions. Now let's consider some of the basic values of it, and later we will go to its uses. Basically, in preliminary stage, we generally remember 4 values of a ratio: degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree of theta. So sin 30 takes the value 1 by 2. When this theta becomes 30 degree, then the ratio between P and H is 1 by 2. That means P divided by H gives you 1 by 2. For 45 degree, it is 1 by root 2. Then for 60 degree, it is root 3 divided by 2. And for 90 degree, it is 1. Now let's figure out where these values came from. We'll derive those things. Now let's draw another right angle triangle where this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and this triangle is called, say, A, B and C. So here sine of 30 degree equal to what we are calling, saying it's 1 by 2. Now how this 1 by 2 will be? Let's derive. So now just extend this A the same length as A to B, from B to D, and connect it from one to extend. Okay, we'll manage that. So if we go to the properties of triangle and if we make this thing as the same as this thing, so here it will produce 30 degree. So that we can study in the properties of triangle. That we know. And in this triangle, since all the 3 angles are added up to give 180 degree, and this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, then the rest, this one is 60 degree. And here also similar thing, here it is 90 degree, 30 degree, and here is also 60 degree. These are the things we can study from the properties of triangle. So now let's consider this to this is length of x units. So from here to here, this is also x units. And this bigger triangle A, C and D, it's an equilateral triangle. So the length from here to here is 2x, because this portion is x and this portion is x. Combining it is giving 2x. And this is equilateral triangle, all sides are same. So that means this side is also 2x, this side also 2x. If you have any doubt, you can go back and rewind and again replay this video. You can have more clarity. So this is the scenario. Now we are considering this 30, this angle in the triangle ABC for the sine function. Now, as you know, we are deriving this. Now, as you know, sine of 30 degree means this one, this angle. It is this AB means this portion divided by hypotenuse. That means this is AB segment divided by AC segment, or AB side divided by AC side. That is equal to AB side, AB side is the length of x, and this AC side is the length of 2x. So x divided by x cancel out, then it becomes 1 divided by 2. So sine 30 gives us the value 1 by 2. Now let's consider the 60 degree. Now in the same triangle, if you consider this angle instead of this angle for sine, then sine 60 would be this side AB. Instead of A, B, it would be B and C. So it will be B, C divided by A, C. Because we are considering this side, this angle, not this angle, to prove what is the value of sine 60. So now in this triangle, this is 2x, this is x. Then we can count using Pythagoras theorem what is the length of this BC side. According to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So if we solve this equation, keep BC at one side and move this AB square into this side, and I am writing the other way, keeping BC square here and I am keeping AC square here minus AB square. AC is 2x minus AB is x. So this lead to 4x square minus x square, which is equal to 3x square. So that implies BC square equal to 3x square, and BC means we are doing root over square root 3x square, square root of 3 square. So that equal to root 3x. So now BC side, the length of BC comes out to be root 3x. Now sine 60 is BC divided by AC. So BC is root 3x divided by AC. AC is 2x. So this gives to cancel out root 3 divided by 2. So this thing will prove. This thing also will prove. Now the remaining is 45 degree. So when this angle is 45 degree, or we consider this angle or this angle. So let's consider this angle. Sine 45 degree. So say if it is 45 degree, then the sine of 45 degree is AB divided by AC. But in that case, this side and this side are equal. So this triangle will not hold good. So what we can do is, we'll draw another triangle. When this side is 45 degree and this is 90 degree, that means this is also 45 degree as per properties of triangle. Addition of all the values of a triangle gives to 180 degree. So in this case, this is P, this is H, and this is B. If this is X and this is X, The hypotenuse will be, after Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to this p square plus b square. That gives rise to h square plus b is also x square. That means 2x square. H square equal to 2x square. That implies h equal to square root of 2x square. That means root 2x. So h is root 2x, p equal to x and b equal to x. Now sine 45 degree equal to p divided by x. So p is x and x value we have found out to be root 2x. X cancels, then remains 1 by root 2. So now this also we prove. Okay. Now remains the value of 90. So sine 90 is 1. That we need to prove. So 90 means this angle you slowly increase and reach to 90. That means we are considering this case 90. So that means the side AB and this side is hypotenuse. This will become hypotenuse because as the angle is keep on increasing, slowly it reaches 90. At that point we would like to find what's the value of sine. So in that case, if you consider this small increase in angle, then this line may meet here. If you consider this one, then it may meet here. Likewise, if you consider this one, it may reach here. And if you consider this line, so it will go and meet at infinity. That means at that point of time, the length of P and length of hypotenuse will assume it is to be same. Because infinity is very large. That is going to meet there. And when same quantity will be divided with each other, it will give rise to 1. So that's how sine 90 is 1. Now let's discuss about where these things are used. What is the use of this? So first consider the first function of trigonometry, sine theta. Where you have seen the use of sine theta? Well, you have already came across those kind of things in your house itself. You are using it every day. You can see your inverter. There are two kind of inverters are coming. When there is no electricity, we are switching on the inverter. So there is a square wave inverter and there is a sine wave inverter. So what is that sine wave? That is the same sine, this one. But the electricity which is supplied to our homes, those electricity has the property of sine wave. The way the electricity is moving is following the rule of the function of sine theta. So if you draw a graph in case of electricity, if we increase the angle from 0, so here angle is theta equal to 0 here. Then suppose here theta equal to 90. Then it will move like this. But there are values for sine beyond 90 also, like 120, 145, 135, 180. So keep on going. So those things, if you consider, the sine function will draw a picture like this, wave, like this. So this is called sine wave. So our electricity is coming by this. So the inverter should produce, because it is using the battery. Battery is DC. So from battery it will get the electricity converted into AC. So there are two kinds of AC. One is called square wave AC and one is called sine wave AC. So that is where the sine is being used, because all the appliances in our house, they are using sine wave AC. They are expecting the current to follow the rule of sine, not square. So there the manufacturers of inverter, they produce sine wave so that the equipments or the appliances, they will not come to know like it is the supply electricity or the electricity come from inverter. Okay? What is the use of cos then? What is the use of cos? Cos has also uses. This is the capacitor. Okay? So when you use a capacitor in our AC line, what it does is it makes this sine wave into cos, like this. So whenever this value of sine is lowest, the cos value is highest. So that is the use of cos. So we are having lots of use in case of mathematics, study of physics, study of electronics, study of electricals we come to know. So similarly, if we consider the values of cos theta, sin theta, as we saw, when it is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sin will be 0, sin is 0. Okay. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, 60 root 3 divided by 2, 91. For cos, it is a twisted pair, just like seesaw. So this 1 will come here, root 3 by 2 will come here, 1 by root 2 will remain there, half will go here, and 0 will go here, just like seesaw. And you do reciprocal of these two, you get tan. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. Then if you divide this, 1 by root 3. If you divide this, it will come 1. If you divide this, it will come, it is infinity. So that is how the values we can remember, and the reciprocal is like that. Cot, sec, cosec, those values you can remember. Tan, cot, they are also reciprocal. Like seesaw. This 0 will be infinity, root 3, 1 by root 3 and 0. Sec will be reciprocal of cos. This will be 1, this will be 2 by root 3, this will be root 2, this will be 2 and this will be. Then cosec will be reciprocal of this. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. Cosec will be reciprocal of this. This will be infinity. Like seesaw kind of thing. This will be 2, this will be 2 by root 3 and 1. So this is how we will remember those values. Now, what is the use of tan? Every day we are using the tan whenever we are going in a staircase. So the stiffness of staircase defined by the value of tan, at what angle it is. If a staircase having, that's called slope, having slope of say 1, that means the angle at which the staircase is lying is at 45 degrees. That's all folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.